Today, we're taking a look at the Dreame D20 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop. This is a newer release from Dreame and our 15th Dreame model tested. We have tested over 125 different robot vacuums, and Dreame is one of our favorite brands. While far from flagship status, we are still excited to see how the D20 stacks up against the competition from a value perspective. A big thank you to Dreame for sending this over, though just to be clear, this video isn't sponsored. As always, you'll get our honest, unfiltered thoughts. If you'd like to check it out yourself, there's a link in the description. Now let's get into the unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find a solid lineup of cleaning accessories. Along with the robot itself, you get a multi-purpose self-emptying and charging station with a snap and ramp and power cord, plus a mop pad, one spare dust bag, in the usual product literature. Setup is straightforward. Plug in the dock, attach the mop pad, fill the clean water tank, and let the robot charge. One thing to note, this model isn't designed for use with cleaning solutions, so keep that in mind. Once charged, simply connect it to the Dreame Home app, and you're ready to start cleaning. Right out of the box, the Dreame D20 Plus surprised me with the inclusion of the Dual Brush Roller, the same dual conical roller system found on Dreame's flagship models like the X50 Ultra and Aqua 10 Ultra. It's great to see this flagship tech making its way into more budget-friendly models, especially since this is by far the best brush in Dreame's lineup for preventing tangles from pet hair or long human hair. Setup was quick, mapping was fast, and navigation proved smooth and reliable. In terms of vacuuming, it performed really well across carpets, rugs, and hard floors, easily handling the daily mess of a household with 5 people and 1 hairy dog. Vacuuming is clearly its strongest feature, though the mopping was more of a good, not great experience. It's definitely better than nothing, and with adjustable water flow levels in the app and a generously sized water tank, it can still get the job done without constant refills. That said, I'm a bit spoiled by higher-end models that automatically wash, clean, and dry their mopping pads. If you're coming from one of those systems, this will feel basic, but if you just need solid vacuuming with a helpful mopping boost, the D20 Plus definitely delivers. When it comes to performance, the D20 Plus definitely punches above its class. It delivers a very respectable 13,000 pascals of suction, over 3,000 pascals higher than the category average, and 2 to 3 times stronger than older Dreame D and L series models. Despite all that power, it maxes out at just 74 decibels, only 1 decibel louder than average. And if that's still too loud for you, you can always lower the suction level in the app to make it nearly whisper quiet. In our in-use airflow test on carpet, it scored 383 FPM, which is below the 423 FPM average, and following suit, our in-use pressure topped out below average at just 0.18 kPa. Still, in real-world cleaning, it scored an impressive 95 out of 100, which not only beats the average of 87, but also rivals some of Dreame's own flagship models as well. It's also a good reminder that advertised suction number, pascals, often serve as more of a marketing tool than a true performance indicator. As for mopping, the system is pretty basic. There's no auto washing, drying, or refilling. That said, Dreame did include a generously sized clean water tank at over 2 times the average capacity, so you won't need to refill as often. There's no mop lifting or removal features, so if you don't want it touching carpets, you'll need to take the mop module off before vacuuming. On the positive side, the app gives you carpet avoidance settings and adjustable water flow control, something many entry-level systems still lack. Compared to the competition, Dreame is offering more value and customization here than you typically see at this tier for mopping. The Dreame Home app, available on both iOS and Android devices, gives you full control over your robot vacuum. You can fine-tune both vacuuming and mopping settings, build custom cleaning routines, and target specific rooms or zones. It supports multi-floor mapping, no-go zones, and voice control through Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Standout features include intensive carpet cleaning, off-peak charging, and real-time maintenance tracking to help you stay on top of component upkeep. While the app does have a bit of a learning curve because of its depth, it's easily one of the most feature-rich and thoughtfully designed platforms I've tested. After trying all the major apps, it's my personal favorite, making Dreame my top overall pick. Roborock earns an honorable mention for its excellent app as well. Since its release, the Dreame D20 Plus has received largely positive feedback, averaging 4.4 stars. Customers praise its powerful suction, dual brush design that minimizes hair tangles, and the convenience of its self-emptying base. Its accurate mapping, customizable cleaning settings, and strong overall value compared to similar models are also frequently mentioned. On the downside, the mopping system is considered basic without auto wash, drying, or mop lift features, and users note limitation with carpet contact and edge cleaning. Reddit users have shared generally the same feedback so far about the Dreame D20 Plus, particularly appreciating its strong suction power and the dual brush system, which effectively handles pet hair. Many find the self-emptying base convenient, reducing maintenance frequency. However, some users note that the mopping function is basic, lacking features like auto wash or mop lift, and may not be suitable for those seeking advanced mopping capabilities. Additionally, while the vacuum performs well on most surfaces, there are occasional mentions of limitations in carpet cleaning and edge performance. Despite its impressive feature set, the D20 isn't without room for improvement, just like every robot we test. It's harder to nitpick mid-range, budget-friendly vacuums since compromises are expected to keep the price competitive. This model is clearly a vacuum-first robot rather than a mop-first one. While features like an extending side brush or mop for better edge and corner cleaning would help, those are available on higher-end Dreame models. The biggest area that could use improvement is obstacle avoidance. From my testing, it's limited. It technically avoided a pop can, but smaller or lower profile items may still get hit or tangled. Basically, if the LiDAR module at the top can see it, you're good. If it's below that, it's basically no man's land and expect it to make contact. Dreame notes on their website that the system works for obstacles above 0.79 inches, but larger and taller objects are much more reliably avoided. In short, assume it may bump into or tangle with items on your floor, so it's best to tidy up beforehand. The Dreame D20 Plus is a standout mid-range robot vacuum delivering strong suction, tangle-free dual brush rollers, and the convenience of a self-emptying base. While the mopping system is basic and obstacle avoidance isn't perfect, the vacuum excels at everyday cleaning, maps accurately, and offers app customization rarely seen at this price point. Overall, it's a vacuum-first robot that provides excellent value for households with pets or high-traffic floors. If you want solid vacuuming power with a helpful mopping boost, the D20 Plus is a smart choice without breaking the bank.